In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check car or bike insurance online in the UK for 2025. Whether you're ensuring you have the coverage you think you do, or perhaps verifying a vehicle before making a purchase, it's essential to know how to access this information quickly and accurately. Fortunately, it's a straightforward process, and I'm here to walk you through each step. The first thing you're going to want to do is visit the MID's Navigate service. You can find this by heading over to inquiry.navigate.mib.org.uk. This website is an official service provided by the Motor Insurers Bureau, a reliable source for checking insurance information in the UK. Make sure you're on a secure network, especially if you're entering personal information on public Wi-Fi to protect your data. Once you're on the site, you'll need to have the vehicle's registration number ready. This is the unique number plate assigned to your car or bike. Enter this number into the designated field on the website. It's crucial to enter the correct information here to get accurate results, so double check the number before proceeding. Following this, you will see a section regarding the data protection declaration. Here, you'll need to tick the box confirming that you understand and agree to their data protection terms. This step is important because it assures the site that you comprehend their privacy policies and the handling of personal data. It's always a good idea to have a quick read through these terms, even if you're familiar with them, to ensure there are no surprises. After agreeing to the terms, you can click the button to proceed, and the system will begin processing your request. Once the search is complete, you'll be able to view the insurance status of the vehicle. The results will indicate whether the car or bike is currently insured. If the vehicle is insured, the system will also display the details of the insurance provider. This is helpful for confirming the insurance status or ensuring you're purchasing a well-covered automobile. As you can see, checking your car or bike insurance online in the UK is a simple process when you know the steps. Always be sure to note down or print the information for your records, especially if you need it for any further documentation or reference. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to verify a vehicle insurance coverage from your own home or on the go. I hope you found this guide helpful, and feel free to reach out in the comments if you have any questions. Thank you for tuning in, and happy motoring!